Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude?
How can I express my gratitude
for all the many things?
For all the many things you.
Turn my pit into a well. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. I've been through a lot, but grace sustained me. My test is now a testimony. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. It was you, my lawyer in that courtroom. It was you, my soldier on that battlefield. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. Hey, Adumo, Nyame, Adumo, Adum, Adum intina metiasi, Eya Wadum tina mewoho. Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. Lord, the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Wadum. Who has changed my story? Who has given me a song? Turn my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. You have changed my story. Protocol breaker, you made a way. You turned my mourning into dancing. It is you and just your grace. Could not have made it without you. Hey. Could not have sailed through without you. Your loving kindness, grace and mercy brought me through. So the essence of my praise is centered on your grace. Adum, Adum, Adum. Could not have made it without you. Hey, could not have sailed through without you. Papa, your loving kindness and grace.
We are able to pass a insu so menya wo ewo menchina fe yadi dwumedie ebrewo. Good afternoon ewo London abo no 9 upper hon simabe se 9 ene kakra. Good morning but in the United States of America na fe 3 o'clock ewo Ghana. Na baby will be a little past the top of the hour. And the last but one Saturday of the month of August 2021. the community and the law. And mede bro ye frame Owuraku Frimpong. Na mede do him no adi animu ye babedi emremo enkomo. Na fe ye hunu senia enema ebesi akotitru ewo wasetremu ewo UK ha. But wo Ghana na se opese oba UK eba betena oba ebe ko school ana so be ye adwuma. Ekwan ben na obefa so na hwan na wode wani chere na so wode wani to no so. Na fe we hunu senia nema AC ekro. BWF solicitors. Me kan ma kan say BWF solicitors and you dey waso wasene ma ye dey brewo. The community and the law brings you all the issues you need to know and of course the things you need to understand and what it is that you have to do so you stay on the right hand side of the law. And HMD yedin komo de kama bi brewo. Se woni aban ewo nkita hodie efa sikasemu na se bia wani betia na sika bia beto account mu na abroso. Hey, na mekra wana diska beto me na de watch no wadi na afi akoy overpayment. Saa sika no awose wo san tua baka na wo benefit ana se wo da benefit so na se yetua wo kana anso a eno nso so kwan ben na obefa so ana nso se wo tax a yetwa ama wo ewo afi no mu no unim se tax year no from the beginning of April to the end of March. 1 year into the other. Now, if you tax amount, be an abroso and now said the akoye and sembebre, and no a coin bank and our befaso. Lawyer for home, I lawyer for F home and then many BWF solicitors penny for a day, a home and como a day, bro, and Tisha and Susa and Mammy. You're live, our Facebook, BWF solicitors. You're live, our YouTube. BWF solicitors. And you're live at Abawa Radio so at UK ha Sanso so and a PAAM TV so you also at UK hana me stress say when you link no na say wa pick up the link and share. Coin page, like the page and also subscribe. Now, for a bribia, you didn't new at BB Beto a year platform, no subia no one sa a betimi akabi. If you FM Owuraku Frimpong, me try me hona fee, mediasda ama BWF solicitors 214 to 218. Tottenham High Road, no so 7 Sisters North London. Mediasda mawo na me kai was say yeba. Openia ene meneno eba betchin komono medana di ade actual sanso and miniaba my tea and she took a little break, but she's back on the block now on here. So Abaye Jumediano. Ubefre BWF solicitors are 0208 493 7340 and answer 077 127 61884. BWF solicitors a year Juma Monday to Friday. Every and apart 9:30, Eco C and Numre 6 o'clock. And a weekends also or year Juma, but another year by appointment. Or if everyone send the number the media amount 0208 493 7340. And come on ede in Ticheme Meba.
Ye fema ye wo London. Ya jia basobodie bebre. Ne ya redare ewo mransemu. Eye legal services. BTC family law, matrimonial law, immigration, dispute resolution, Ghanaian customary, any family law. What BWFDA, yen solicitors edi enijie ene twitwaje wo na ye bonso nyeden kra. Yen partner penimpa, Bernardo Wusu aye lawyer ewo UK memu bebru mfie duonu nkron, 29 years. BWF solicitors kra won ho. Inti se ba na ebusuansem bi te se child care eya abofrahwe mu awarja ye ho twema mentwe ene ohye ana injunction ye de to domestic violence so a ye ma legal assistance ya edimu na ye adwuma so ye child care any family team no nim nia wo famu eweni ya wo brei mu enu ntine ye to ye mboase ma wafutu a esefata ewo kokoa mu yen senior partner ayobia Law Society Family Law Accreditation Panel agina tumu no osanso ye member na kyerese eba no se ye gina wachi etwitwaje wo family any matrimonial cases ho a wonni haw kra wo pe advice ewo immigration sensem ho wo BWF solicitors de ye immigration team no abredare ewo general immigration ho semsem kosi complex immigration work permit student visa ho totoye any entry clearance visas, family visas, ni appeals. Yen senior partner a member na wasagina tum ewo Law Society Immigration Accreditation Panel. Inti se taiwachi a wonni haw kra. Ye bie an office free juada ekosi fiada anopa non krompe mu ekosi enumre nunsia eye 9:30 am kosi 6 pm ɛna memene da nso ɛyɛ appointment nko a free anɔpa nondu ekosi ewia no 9 ɛyɛ 10 a.m. kosi 4 p.m. Yɛwɔ 4th floor ɛwɔ Anna House 214-218 Tottenham High Road, London N15 4NP. Sɛ wo nante free 7 Sisters Underground nso a ɛyɛ kwan tiaa bi. Yɛn senior partner Bernard Owusu san yɛ barrister ya gyina tomu na ɔyɛ Ghana Bar Association member ɛna wasan gyina sɛ mmeranimfoɔ ɛwɔ court cases a ɛfa Ghana law ho. Wa advise local authorities, official solicitors office ne solicitors bebree ɛfa Ghanaian law ho yie. Na ɔsan yɛ obi a ɔtae kasa ɛwɔ radio ɛne TV so fa Ghanaian law ho.
Mekoso adawase se wobeka ye ho na fe dwedie no yede brewo me bo amane se mekoto menkra no eba opania me ne no eba bedi dwedie enei medane di akyerewo ade ama wonsusu wahunu senia esi etie senia wo hwe yen screen no so a se benefits of overpayment and now say wo skebi a woji ewo aban ho ewo UK and now say be a wo bia na yetua wa mana broso a quite better so and obefa. Do you have to pay? And now say me bisa wo say yeah the tax burden be abro. Now fe abro so senior wunim se senior city. Do you have to pay? And now say wo say utu anamo utu no eno anything. Ene me wo menia penny wo ha. Ye lawyer Patrick wo BWF solicitors adwumamu ene obeba bebo yen na fe yede enkomo no ede abrewo na se ye twa ye ni na ye hwa o ye obi a obo yen wo yen komodi mu eyie pa se eba na se yen chechre mra no mu ane ade a BWF solicitors obo yen pa na lawyer Patrick nsoso a very very integral part of the BWF solicitors family. Patrick, akwaba.
Thank you, Owuraku.
Apo mo tse.
Kakaka, ye guso.
Obi we ka say abrantifo pa.
Nyame guso ye adwuma.
Number cha adwuma mo tse.
Ye wo ho, nyame adom bibia ye kama. I mean, yenti asemboni bi nko ade na kyese nyame adom eye. Na emom ye hwe anim kwan se da bia ye community no with your support any almost more de buano on better akoso na omoni edinsa woso no sa sabe yenimu ani yenimu.
That's right, yeah.
BWF so de yenimu fetete ye tete amamre no
no and guso yeah we see say afi na wa pick page na me so mo dey share na photo platforms ahodo ni nyina so na amanfo ensa enkabi lawyer Patrick amayen kwaba awie na chese ye ba abade nkomo no abrel sisia na ansa na no me se ye bobo enema ba kwa na yenu bi so na afi ye de ma ye ho akwaba ne de kaka ye ho se emramu no sebe untimi ensori mfa bibia emto bebia sa enunti na otwi infiti ase no BWF solicitors eboa yen ewo bibia yeta ekana say nuggets or say child arrangement order. Applications for child arrangement orders are usually between private individuals under Section 8 of the Children Act of 1989, which are therefore private law matters. Where someone seeks an order in respect of a child who is in the care of the local authority, it will be considered a public law matter. The court order can set out either A, the living arrangements for the child, that is, who the child will live with and when. Then B, the arrangements for the child to spend time with somebody, or both. When considering applying for a child arrangement order, parents should always have parents should always have the best interest of a child at the forefront of their minds. And Mr. say, Banasana Sebia say, oh yeah, application. And for say, oh yeah, application for leave to remain. Na opese wo site TBB to set the child arrangement order. Say and now what shall say application for leave to remain as a parent. An applicant can qualify for leave as a parent if they have direct access in person to the child as agreed with the parent or carer with whom the child normally lives or as ordered by a court in the UK. paragraph ELTRPT 2.4a of the Immigration Rules, family court proceeding documents, including child arrangement orders, may not be considered by the Home Office as supporting evidence unless there is a written permission to disclose to the Home Office and the Immigration Tribunal. Me, Brofono, my kind of baby. Anything. Patrick, Mr. Ewo, Wadarima, Ebanesia, na me Jatuamo, na maybe Sase. Brofia can tin child arrangement order, even though it's not the topic we're going to discuss this afternoon, but say child arrangement order more amaya say yanhwe meaning some yi basi ya na bibi ene nam ho be a Home Office epeso mo de hwehwan ya na se court no epese ye hunu bibi say child arrangement order na fi uchi mu na ni so metimi de agina so aye any application for leave to remain in the UK now.
Right, yo Owuraku medase ye ma atiefo ne ahwefo nyina akwaba. The kakreya wakan emunchichi mu nyina ne se child arrangement no ye normally abusua mienu sebe abobra abrabo no mu ono nkwala anase akwala abam. Ebedu baby na bia wantwi aba. Na ebia akoba se esese baako free baby a ebusuane te no nti yemfa nse oba ne bema oma wo wantwi aba nti akoba se bema no afrifi na aka oba no ne enkwala no nko a most of the time ebia ne be akwala sebe onye ndu ne mpani mfie so na akwala ndu ne mpani mfie so a na ebekwa akohia se maame na ebeye ne kwan so se obetimi ahwe saa akwala no because enya de asebe bema unufu esusu senkra na obetimi de ama akwala nti no esese maame ene hwe saa akwala no nti ekoba ne saa because of wantwi nti no na etoda aya na nti ase nya adwuma na nipa oni akwala ne ti no adwena koba se mebuafu mempese obehu nkwala no
Okay.
because of ebia yaudie bi ewo anase bibia enunti enam so ma saa wantwi ne ba enti no ene pam no twa no mempese mehu so a nkwala no so hu na akoya ade a aye problem enye sebe bema no anase oba no na wo punish no eye nkwala no na wo punish wo where ebetimi akoba se sebe o punish saa nipa we mienu no nyina no ye ade a yebedi ho nkomo enti no se wo saa tibia mu a akwanya wo ho e wo ye mra no mu se uyo obi a sebe wani ku wo ma ho wo pese wo hwe wo ma nsusu obi aya akwansidie enti wuntimi nye saa de no ubetimi akọ court na ode wasem akodan court na court na ahwem na ode yie ato yie na eno no na court no sene okenkan ya script no ede maaye no otimi make arrangement na ye nhihye say okay na mo ya warefo na say na mo relationship and a relationship ni ho but nkwala wo ho nti esese ye hwe nkwala no yie di nti se sa na tie di a wo na wo ye maame ebia nkwala no susua nti ye ntimi nka se omo nkotena wo papa nchen nti ebia wo mo ntena wo nchen na emom no papa na ono susu bua ma ye wo ma no ono susu wo ho kwan se otimi behwe nkwala
no
anaso se omodun fie bi so a wo mutimi kọ papa no ho na ebia weekend kra na omukọ spend wo ho
okay
nti saa na eye arrangement etie obi wo ho a na ye kan you know ebia na papa no sebe na setena mu wo ha no enya ade a
ekoye
edimu
okay
nti akwala na yawo no na ebia nyame adom enam yemfa ne se omaame so nti no wabeye akwala a oye qualifying child no sa akwala yi so na papa yi gina ya sebe ono so ne toto ayebubu ama no eno so ekoso sesie ya sa intitimu na ba maami se mema wonhu akwala ne bie mu no na ebedu se eseso okope the second thought na na eho asem no ayekana
okay
ne senti ni se eho akade esese wode kire no na ni nya no ayedin because only omo nete dia eni enim se only omo nete maame betimi atro bibi kakra bi e de adi adanse so ampa ya papa ye kunu nie ye ne nete bibi eso ye bia ye man ti yesra mo mma ne bibi na ono susu no onye beema na watimi akopa adwuma na odi bia babu abusia kama na o maye sankoba ne sa ye beka se bia koji GP letter anase school letter edi adanse se sebe onye papa kwase wo ye papa in the name of it
yeah.
and also say sebe so ye papa na washa da so ntino bosumi du a £1,000 £2,000 £200 1 million na wo de ato account mu na che se what ya eno an say wo ye papa no no enye sa o papa ye ne say you are playing a role in the lives of your children inti sa role na wo play no eno na ye gina so na also so ye de ahwe na ye ma wo taught ni bi said the be ya obetimi ato akoso place a role
all in the interest of akwala
all in the interest of akwala
okay
inti no se kodu sa situation na wantwi na ba na madam and say you know abrantie no yes anema na akoye den se wonsa be kasa na very man say because e bia maame no na nkwala no ne omotini ntino na e bia sukuu hokra na odin wa ne akoyi odin afri ho as onye contact say GP na odin wo ho a ne akoyi odin afri ho say onye contact bi nti uko GP ona ho ko request say o ma letter GP no onimo
because udin kra ni ho
udin ni ho uko school also so na ko letter say okay me ba wa ha nti me ba letter omususu no omunimo because udin ni ho as contact nti e ba den say obi betro bibi dia ma normal no rules now come my no say won't wo mo nchen kra na still no ubetimi aya application
okay
but as say wo kire sa nima ya makan ya edi adanse say wo nkwala na brabo say enye court order to say the ya boss child arrangement order na ya ka no na court dia mawa say ntiase wo ho na maame na sebi one nkwala ne te no ntiase wo ho na watro eye statement e de edi adanse say ampa kojo na ene nnete nso sebi ene onti habim ntawantawa kakraba nanso so no kojo ye na sede nyina se papa
okay
intino mini hu assembi aka se mode kojo krata no
edema no okay
simple
and only child arrangement order
enye no ne child arrangement
child arrangement me ba person me tia say child arrangement order no ebe ye say one oba no ana be ma ana say awofo ni mienu no mwa ye nhihye bi say tawantawa di aba me matwe me ho anansa wo watwe wo ho nanso nkwala ne ye die nti bi a mehwe wo mo na otwe baako nso behwe wo mo na otwe baako eno ne child arrangement order na bi a court di wo mo sabetim so ana
eno no ye court no e na atena se ahwe mo asemu se ne ntawantawa no ho na maame empese papa behu akwala no most of the time no eya na saa na ekoye minua no ma no emfa ncheme na enye se ntia but eya na saa na e ka me ase akwakoye nti no e bia papa so e de ehu yaudie na wadwane akwakotoa court no
okay
na court no ahwe nsem ni nyina mu se san na asem no sitie na court no aye saa nhihye no nti court no e na ye child arrangement order no
okay
nti oye order na odibia mamu nyina se order me court maye ni say we anyway nete na emom no papa yi so wo ahu akwanya say otimi behwe no ma anase nkwala no e spend the time with omo papa no wa yesa document no dey ato nti ahoden wo sa document no mu no say maame no because of wentwi nti no edu se wo ko renew na wa ye na adwen say omma wo krata bi a ono ade be di adanse and also say ye would in free GP any school ho into wontimi nya bibia ebedi adanse say ampase oni nkwala no e wo family life that court order no e one single important document ode beka wo application no ho na ode aye wo application without needing the other partner na sebe ne buafu no the statement and also say school letter any GP letter no e the account the court order no keke no would be enough to prove that indeed or direct access to your children now who play role in their lives. Yeah.
Me kind the tosu me no. Sanya I came for near here for about screen also say application for leave to remain as a parent. An applicant can qualify for leave as a parent if they have direct access in person to the child, as agreed with the parent or carer with whom the child normally lives, or as ordered by a court in the UK. Paragraph more say family court proceedings documents including child arrangement orders may not be considered by the Home Office as supporting evidence unless there is a written permission to disclose the Home Office and Immigration Tribunal. Where ya me say waka say single document no betimi aboa ama we, but you say so send your paragraph ELT RPT 2.4 na ka no eya koye say Home Office wan hia wo monye sakrata no
enye hu I mean sabe ekroma no bibia ye bia no say enkwala ka ho a aya na ye very conscious of sa enkwala no enti no de wo horo kakra no enya ade a ehu sa because enkwala ye nkofo a ompese odi wo mudin ebekwa akotutu to public ama yehu say na ekoso.
Okay.
And that is why ehu behia after sa order no akoso no say eye application na opese odi ya ese se wo pinchen court no na wo ma court no ya wo say de wo pese wo yeni na court no ama wo ehu kwan say court no ma wo ho kwan say yes ubetimi ayusu sa de no e de aya. You don't have a problem with the Home Office. It's not a problem at all.
Well, Abusia, me de me hu yam shim say lawyer say uni problem or more te brofo na say. Na me kai was say obetimi e de ho akobo eye BWF solicitors e wo emremu nhihia ho ne nkomo ahodo ni nyina titu eye wo immigration matters. BWF solicitors e wo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road no so e wo Seven Sisters North London. Monday to Friday if you are no part 9:30 ekupem anwumere 6 o'clock bia we ye adwuma obefre won e 0208 493 7340 announce 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. And BWF solicitors NEAD Jumedi the community and the law na mpese mekai was OPK link that now share. Last week you gave us about 350 shares. Now we want to go 500. Sebeya dodo wana ebinya emfasoa yede free program yi brewo. Senior bibi epiemu na fi yakuyi bana lawyer ache yanse say in the interest of mofranity say upinchen court na court no ebetimi edi wasem ama na hwan ena edi wanim edi wako court na lawyer for papa BWF solicitors ma min fasida emma yenuanom ene adofo a wo yen lines no so na afi woni yen edi adwuman enenti se waba na afi minhu a bomodin announce your presence na afi minhu senior esi atie me wo Louisa Sante Amo, good afternoon Brako Kuloya Patrick, lovely people, good afternoon Kweko ware minia etisen boko me da se wo ha ye wo yenua nana hima sapon so e wo ha na ode ho enkomo to so se kindly share ye wana najiman enso e wo ha wafre Margaret Adu Mensa so and wo frɛ Georgina Sewa Bonsu yenuanom a wo Hamburg ani Esau ane wabusiafo a mote TV ho yedamase sanso so na maame efua Owuraku Frimpong also wo Ghana and crying. Mrs. Thank you very much for your support. Nana Sapon Nana Sapon about say hi. Nana Sapon also ye chiao ye wo kwesi kwa anase kwesi omani okay senia udi no esi etie no nyame ensure say wabeka ye ho ewo ha enkoma ye de ebrewo ende no mepese wo pick na wo share because say ododo atimi ensa eka na afi omunyina ehunu senia esi ekra yebenya esomfaso na questions ne concerns I want yebetimi address ne nyina mepese me kai wo say wo question na answer concern bi na opese wo de eto ye nimu a obetimi afre yen line no 0208 123 1016 0208 1231016 and now say ube send a text WhatsApp and now say even ube fresh our line 07950422780 07950422780 BWF solicitors any di jumay na ye baba to so e be call yen ye enkomo no so pa eno nti me twa me ho be sima fa bi na ye ba me nua na manyeti ene lawyer Patrick ebedi enkomo no minim se wobenya eso emfaso pa na nti hyɛ so na afei yɛmmra na yɛmfa mmerɛ wo Yeah, we say nije ahosepe se wonso wabeka ye ho ewo dwumedi so na afi ye de brewo na before I could say even Jack na obi abamahoma no so dada na ye de enkomo no e ba brew but me nua yi eni enkomo na me misa no akwan so briefly na afi yemba but dwum wafidie no na afi ye ni enkomo hello yeah is that the saying
Yo, now so.
Yami Adomboko.
Me patrol Charles were around.
Lawyer Charles, I were office to CIA, you were TV so.
Okay, patrol me me man in the number.
But you better text at the amount. Why?
Me patrol you me da say.
Yes, you dance.
Yo, me your program no say until later why me da.
So what share there?
Ani.
How many times?
What my program so?
But what share how many times? Nipa do those na there mo.
Oh, so say there be 5B.
For 5 come home.
Because share.
Me da see be nyawe insha. Yeah, I was here for somebody kaka you know and me nua na mayeti na fe lawyer Patrick na enwa na jumedi ye de bro na ye kai wo say obetumi afre 020812311016 and answer over send the text WhatsApp and answer even afre line 07950422780 na wonam to nkache atese
adumo ani ahwe
e do chidi amponse de amiase mo fra ne abusafo gina ho ye
bia ho ya dominante bia ho ye
good ya no man so kakra na okasa ya chinti ase waslu
mo ba chene echechu bia
good ene senia onem no ye ba na afi ya behwe ye say benefit like Patrick say ye ka benefit ene sika manfo age we so bia o say me kwaji kwaku ene ho ensem na hodo no bebre benefit no ene den hwan na yetimi de benefit ma no.
Okay. Yo, enti benefits ye bibia sebe aban ede boa ye ankrankran omusika sem ewo fom. Enti no bia wo ye adwuma nsusu no akatua wonya no enso wasetena mu ema wasetena ye die ntumi nkonkan na aban ahwe wasetena mu so wo ye obi a o qualifier na aban ede kakra ka ho ama wo nti saafo no na ye ka benefit no omo enya na obi a obenya benefit e ye obi a tsem kan no o qualify most of the time no so you be a wo krom ha restrictions any will leave no ho nti be a British or ha or indefinite leave to remain so no wa ha over 2.5 years. Bear in mind, it's 2.5 years no restriction at that home. Because most of the time, you do 2.5 years in the brewa. Ubewuni also said no recourse to public funds. And no restricto from say obey apply for public funds and I said the friend of welfare benefits no. However, ubetimiye yisa restrictions no e free you will leave no so.
Okay.
Na etimi ama ho kwan ama watimi agi benefit no. And that is why I can say obi a over 2.5 years. Very straightforward.
Okay.
You know him say COVID by man ko for asetena mu ebeye den. Ebinumu elusu o madwuma. Ebinumu we put on fellow scheme. Nti na akatua bosome esese omunya no. Na nye ni nyina na omunya. Nti no abaye hunsa ne ma we nyina ema ubekaya case bi a your friend no WA and litigation friend a court ema court no eye nhihye se no esese ye hwe omo a omo 2.5 years na ye hwe omo system because e bia na nkwala akra susu wom nti ubetimi agina no so ama watimi aye application am ye restriction no e dey free so now so watimi access benefit nti yes for your purposes no as immigration no I had the nkofosro no say e bia me 2.5 years meantime nkoje benefit nti no sa suro no na medical year free because they apply year free okay nti me yi sa suro na free say ye can public funds are it is defined e wo mra no mu nti so hwe section 115 ye immigration 1999 it define ye benefits na ye free omo say ye public funds are so or restriction are untimi access no so na paragraph 6 your immigration rules no and also so eka ho asem now just quite recently March year mu ya so no home office at the new guidance about and also so no a church sa nema we nyina nti hwe page 10 of that document na and also so ekre the public funds for the purposes of immigration you can say bia o was to be anima untimi nti enom no nyina e wo honom but the key point in say o restriction kra obetimi ayi afri ho wo ma wo de eye a bit dicey e obi a yemfan say o free Ghana na buy on the basis of Appendix FM as a partner eno no koya you have to meet certain requirements. Ibini say ube meet your friend bibi the financial threshold requirement 18,600 emfansa onkwana oba. Na no aya o sponsor no oye bibi your friend undertaking into or sign agreement with a bino to say me yire ana me busuafo a omo bay. Me wo enho akade a metimi e de ahwe wo mo. Sebe ya omunkoye burden asudie emfanto aban no so
okay
nti womu bei metimi ahwe womu a emma menkoje sika foforo bi ensan fan kan emfiri aban ho nti eno no wo ho but at the same time no say wo leave na restriction da so emfa say 2.5 years emfa say nipa ya ka no ho asemi na restriction da so na ukunu na say o partner na ono ne wo ho no owo assessing restriction ni hu a and no so no from assessing benefits are obey entitled to
okay
the only problem is say and sasa wo assessing na wa ba betina no e ma onya bi eka ho because of wo wunti and no so e ma enche say wo koye application na sika esese wo meet now this show say wo meet financial requirements no en koka ho e ma wo mfa e meet ye no because wo na sebe waso waware na wakoto pet nti esese wo na otumi e de ehun akade no esi ho so that is what it is nti no sebe so obi wo indefinite leave to remain na wakoware no ordinary ba na se one ne yire na tina enam no so ne ma oba ne 2.5 years a man insuro se esese ne ho kire na obekwa akogye benefit because akwanya no wo se ubetimi aye but ense se eno na wo gina so ede ahwe ma na se be ma
nti benefit no ebi ne dia
nti ye ka benefits so wo restriction a untimi access no dia ya na eba ya dwene mu kane eye yemfa se child benefit if you are ye nimbibi to say tax credit ye child tax credit, working tax credit, housing benefits. So all of these things, disability allowance, PIP, your benefits are. It comes under your immigration rules. Send you define for the purposes of immigration. Account a long list into me be born in but there are a buyer dream more. Emsa dodo na nimno eye de market kenke e na fe eye universal credit. Now ye nyina ye nim say back in 2012 your minister Ian Duncan Smith a supervisor ema ye overhauling our welfare system no ema sabre no ya ba benya eye universal credit. Nti there's been a transition from moana moje housing benefit, council tax benefit, child tax credit, working tax credit, all of those benefits, you're consolidating in and they no boa bako, and you share universal credit.
Okay.
Into there's been a transition now. Almost shall say, gradually. So far, no, a more tria ama bebre na no, am migrating from sa benefits nkakra ya yabobo boso e dia ba universal credit na say. Nti anu no nyina no eye welfare benefits a eye na restriction down say unni leave a eye dia wuntumi enko. But there are other benefits so a eno no enya aban sika eye ade a sebe wo hu na modin a wo dia ye adwuma wa contribute bi nti nse no wo ahotire bi mu na wo kɔgye bia enya aban sika nti bibi ti se
eno kan ya se amatra se ye
nti bibi ti se job seekers allowance
okay
so what kroma na wo ye adwuma sebe utua wo na utua national insurance number ade a sebe ye boaboa no wi a ye nyina no ye ho kire ya ye de boy ye ho ban nti se wote sa na se wo soso no waba wa ye adwuma na bibi nti ahokira ba na ukɔgye anu bia that's fine and say one na watua tu nti say be de wapoto ama na
so di bobom
absolutely nti no odi bobom bia ye nchiri nti sa na ade na te enya no nko a ye wo bisu te say employment and support allowance eno soso no efa adwuma ho nti wa ye adwuma e bia bibi nti no untimi na wakɔgye bi obi wo ho maternity
employment and support allowance na mbia wadwene beba so eno na covid ba yi omo de ma ye fellow nana
fellow no ye different it's a fellow no de bibia aban ye nhihye so okay ye hu se omo a sebe enwuma wuranom covid ba yi ebi wo ha necessary shut na adwuma completely enti no ontimi entua na adwuma ye foka aban fa saa asudie no de to no so se sebe ya omo a wo ma adwuma omo ho betimi ahenha kakra na enkoba se ye yi dodo na di se omo nkotena fi enti no saa na be ye de a ene munso moboduam se ye 1000 na wutua ya omanu a mafa 800 na fa 200 ne kan sebe ya ubetimi akoso I employ no sa na aban nhihye no etie yeah
bakwa asan asima adwuma mpese mebisa enese se minni ho kwan se bia me restriction bi eda me ade so se minni ho kwan na se menya application class yenyi no recourse to public funds na free so me the application course omonye mo family to benefit so bia me ho kire me ma nya aduane mo mu ni no ade eno nti yenso masene yentua me dan kakakra ma me ne ade a omo bepene
normally so all restriction na okọ o council say o ko pesa benefits ya abobo bosu ya omomoa because make us a restriction eda wadi no so nti omomoa but bear in mind say under yen children's act no akwanya wo ho se ubetimi access your friends and social services for benefit. Intino eno no enya abansika public funds no. Because owo akwala no, akwala bia owo aban local area no. Sa akwala no eye aban ahyede ne nasede se esese ohwe sa akwala. Inti se wokọ access sa benefit na wo ho na aban ahyede se esese ohwe sa akwala no. Na ohwe akwala na se be ebi beka. Inti no it's fine. But majority of the time no okwa omunfeel.
Okay.
Because of restriction that wa ade no so. Omunfeel. Ebi wo ho na akoye yembo aban sika ho ban na yenhwe se why na nani edin a obetimi de ani edin so still ewuram. Nti ukwa they will fob you off because sika no esua. Na ye de boy ho bra. Nti sebe osoro ahema mu kɔ no ye kɔ na ni edin so. Nti
Also, you know.
Interesa wo yire ho. Interesa wo na wugina wo na so na utimi kire se unim ne wo ye. Because wo kire se unim ne wo ye dia, you will get the help because the help is there. There are other, you know, avenues so o eno so no ubetimi afa so aban beboa wa enkofa ohauma. But ni nyina echi no. Se wo restriction na wo feel se ohia mo a, make sure se ubeyi sa restriction every ho. Because se wa anye sa o koye application na ye betimi refuse so ye betimi akateli will leave no and ye betimi revoke no so nti e very important say before answer na obekwa akọ access sa benefit no why your homework e kwan da ho a say be menkofa nwuram aban so the restriction ato but wasan abokwan e de ato enchen say say opese uyi sa restriction free wa then e kwan a obefa so ni nti adenti na o ma wo ho trouble na wonkofa kwan na aban abo ato ho na wokodi benefit no wa bra onya allowed na afi thought na yabu ama no yabaji afi wisdom
na la Patrick on say sa child benefit ubehwa etumi de ntokwa bebre ba warefo ntem we se me na meji ayembia we do we ka say question we dey say any question enipa mi no okru to meji oyere so to meji sa benefit no.
Okay. And you know, child benefit no normally no eye nipa akwala no anase nkwala no ene omote no ono energy child benefit no edema eye nkwala no but ebi also na eye maami na one nkwala no te na maami susu no ebi a oni hwe but nkwala no eye nkwala omye qualifying children to be a British and answer yes settled and abibisa. Into omo entitled to. But bear in mind say enya akwala na nkasa na eko make application e dia akogye sa child benefit no. E obi e na eye. Inti either say wawofo no na eye and answer one parent na aka no e na apply. Inti say wonye lack enough na sa one parent na aka no. Oni asetena and answer so wa asetena na emom restrictions e da ho a. Then it becomes difficult. Then on to me call nanim na onko ye. Internet etaba sometimes say a papa na because say e bia onu na wo British citizenship and also or yes settled nintino. Na we use ono ne position no e dia ye application no. O ye application na e be bisa sa nima we nyina sa wo ne nkwala no nete ne ba bia wote e bisa ne nyina na say bisa account to cry yempia sika. I mean, papa ko fill application form. Why account? It's no.
Na senior na the question no buy no. Does it mean say obi betimi age benefit ama akwada bi wa bra onye na wofo?
Well, yes, e betimi aba because sabe enye awofo nko na aya na omuwo parental responsibility.
Okay.
Nti ebetimi aba se aban aye nhihye e de parental responsibility na nka ye wo owofo no e de ano o de ama obi fufo. Yes, na nipa no betimi apply na waji benefit e de ama akwala.
Benefit eba bia na wotwe bosome na aba. Yemfa na se na wotwe bia abofra na se nipa ye ama no your man be to say 59.70 and now 60 pounds a week. Say you were person bisa ne say ye will limit bi e wo say ye tua na say boro so a hwan fom so a.
All right, into benefits are ye de ma wo ni nyina no. Child benefits ne de ye enkwala no ne ye hwe ne ye de ama. But yen fan bibi to say e be housing benefit, working tax credit, child tax credit, universal credit. Ni nyina no ya de a means tested. Into ye hwe wasetena mu. Ye hwe wasetena mu ne ye de akase okay. Wo maame mansa wo enkwala mienu. Nkwala mienu no ye hwe wasetena mu a utua dan ka 1000 o council tax any water o gas we nyina ka bomu a say ena utua ye san so hwe a ye hu se wo ye adwuma unya 100 nti 100 no na mo fie ho nyina no munya na de bia house o child benefit no e de abunkunta e de aka ho nti em fan say in all no unya £200 as a household eno na aban hwe na wa hwe se okay nti sa 200 ya wunyen ene wasetena mu senya siti sen ene ye de ka ho ma wo a oho ebetimi sebe ahenha wo ema wo nye rich enye millionaire na emom no ebe ma sebe oho ahenha wo na we live a dignified life. Okay, nti aban hwe eno no na ode ama. Now before ansana aban be ye sa nhihye no eye wo necessary oma aban information. Nti wo be fill form na wo be fill no ebe bisa wo wasetena mu sebe rent sen na wutua wo ye adwuma akatia sen na wunya se wo nkwala sen na wo nkwala ne nyina wo fie o modi 18 anase below anaso sen na wasetena mu tie wo kunu anase wo nikunu ana wo mpna but mon ware nso mutibom sa wo mpna no sebe oye adwuma owo investment bi anaso se ukunu no oye adwuma owo investment bi anampo afa ni waba be kan ho nti no sen na asetem ebebisa wo enyina nti wo na wo de information no e ma aban na wa hwa so no wa ye wo assessment ansa na aban atumi ehu se we e na wo be ye entitled to. Now was assessment ni yemu no se wa ma aban the accurate information a ebetimi aba se aban eba ma wo sika ebebro so anaso se wa ma aban the accurate information a ebetimi aba se aban be ma wo sika kura na nka ensese odema because onye entitled to in the first place. Nti sa na ebetimi aba no ebiso wa ebetimi aba se o fill form no wa ye ni nyina awie aban access so wa sha ase etua woka first no na wo akwala baako ene sa akwala no wadi 18 into onte hobi but won kan kire aban susu de sebe enye ono nete
nti obekoso adi stamro
nti still no aban ma usika ode eye Ebenezer aka ho ena odi tua wo ena aban de ma wo again ebia na wonko awo ne Ebenezer enete as maame baako ene akwala baako nanso ene nyame
papa baako se akwala
papa baako ne akwala exactly that's true. Entino papa baako akwala baako maame baako akwala baako but ene nyame aye wadom wabie kwan ama watimi enya otwotwomu two onfempane ama waba be ka wonsa nti sebe the two shall be one and anya sa ne kan
ahwade no so wonsabo abe yedu no
exactly nti oba ye ebia na sebe wanya bibi kakra oye ebi kura na ono no sebe because of eniema bi ntino adwuma oye kura no ni sika no edoso okay nti waba be kan obeka hu nso no onka nkire aban nti aban nim se braya African abo kwaku papa free Italy abo wabeka ye ho oye adwuma ni sika oji na naso se onye adwuma nti but obeka ye ho aban enim eno nti se wan kan nkire aban then aban betumi atua usika na otua wo no saa no even though kwaku papa abeka ho ekoba no saa na ya ye sebe esisie wo baabi because it means the esesen ka aban tua wo na kakra bi na ebeka na nka ebia ebeso obi susu no because of say bia wan kobo aban ma nti no ode sai sika na ma ama ebia ebusi hoho e kire no baabi nti ehu hia se wasetena mu sisa na wo je benefit bia obema aban aye aware ebi kura na yemfa ne se for instance covid buy ye do what to fellow scheme so Inti usika wunya no eye a small fraction. Ena ban airboa. But eniema to ye ama wadwuma na wo ye no. After full time back. But on country aban. Ena wo gi we no na wo ja sa gi full one no dia account na wa board boana. Sabe odisi hotel Ghana.
But Patrick, on say o can say empna imbia empna bi abeka ho. Na yen so eja ye beka say yen yamamre no empna de enya ware nti me empna bi abeka me ho de a na onu so ye na edwuma ade na o say me ne ko kira aban say me empna bi abe say ye ware de a ni menim say ya ware na betumi aka kira aban say me kunu ni na me empna bi a obebo na okọ ye de na me ne koka kachira aban say Usimesi abeka me ho ye dwuma say nti yenhwe senior benefit ne beko.
Okay. And for instance, even council tax for council tax purposes. Insishani say who unmarried partner, na even on tifie ho, but oba so asebe odidi, oba ohwe TV, oba ebi asebe obeye ni hu ye kakra nti oba flash lu. Obey ni nyina oye no ofie ho basa won ware no odidi wo ho ohwebo wo ho twaginis kakra ka ho anabwa nti no oye no mu ni nyina but won ware
Okay.
but the aban can say impo say etisa still no esese wo ka kire ye na yehu se sebe kwaku papa nte ha bataya oba ha Obaha bi oha otimi spend a night and I said 2 days 3 days bi no ko ni nyina no e ka ho bi it says aban etumi hu saa de so wan ka aban onhu intino say o fill forms are normally we be say form no e be bisa say we are married and also say onye married and also say we are unmarried partner
Okay.
the friend cohabitation no sebe on kosin san krata say wa but oni obite sabe eni o me koso kama ana nti yes nti aban ka sebe ka kire me ana aban sabe onye ebone bia
So say a banasa nasibia die enisi de bema ye dia ma. Die wo se bia wo ka kire aban bia waka. Bia na wonim se dia na abisa isisi yi. Kofi papa na every baby aba. Aba ye wonware enye no so na te ha. Na nso so enjoy everything that's in the house. And wonim se bia wo sa wo ka kire aban. Na won kan. Eba na sa na fe ye twa usika ebroso se ba na sa se aban ani hunu a hwan fom so a.
Okay nti I think say answer no wo question no because o kan say kwaku papa ba but unnim say na nka se wo ka kira aban na won kan
Let me nim.
nti no say wan ka so na say overpayment na ba na e hwan fom so won fom so because e hye no eda wo so sese wasetena mu sesa esese wo ka kira aban nti se wanka na aban anhwe na wan reassess wa na otua wo se na esese otua na nka esese otua wa then eye wo na waye mfomso no enye da nyina na overpayment no eye nipa na oje benefit no na mfomso ebi wo ho a na eye aban so mfomso
Den no ba.
dia enam so ma ne ba ne se ebi ana information a aban abisa wo nyina no wo de ama aban se ne esesete nti no unte chima wo ba bia de esese wo ka kira aban no kwaku papa aba me ne nkwala mienu na te madwuma mu sisi a yetua me kase ne nyina wo de ama aban na ebi a emfa nsesebe aban so nipa ho adwuma na oye omo wo nyina so omo ye nipa sebe na ebi a bibi nti no nipa na nka esese ode hye so se kwaku papa aba no wamfa nhye so na emum waka akire no anaso se nipa na nka esese ode ka ho se sisi a wo se wadwuma mu ya to akatua mu ama ekosoro nipa no amfa nka ho anaso se wo hye wo forms no wo kan wo mu se me ye adwuma as investment banker se me ye adwuma ye ma me ebi a 100,000 pounds a month it is say na me gine wo adwuma waka ni nyina e de ache wo obi ayem fomso e de your friend say 1,200 akwa akoshe so sebe enye wo na wo ye sa mfomso no waka akire aban bear man say application na o fill the aye no e yade a e paper kra na ubetimi make photocopies now they are. So bear in mind, oh adansidie wo ho say wo ka kire aban. Nti say no na say aban tua wo ma ne bro so a na enye wo mfom so. E aban mfom so.
Then the straightforward and the simplest question will be say overpayment ba. It was emitia.
Yes and no. It's it depends baby ekumano ebekwa akoto. So, yem fan the scenario say the esese wo ka kire aban bia sabe wa ka kire aban. Nti wo de utim no de bibia ye fan. Unfa bibia ensie aban.
Okay.
Na aban ankasa enhihye ebu no akoye mfumso. Na saa mfumso na namso ama aban atuawo ama na broso a. Now, and times say aban ebetimi abaji says sika no. De me kasa akwa akosi say enye benefits ni nyina.
Okay.
Now, with BBT say housing benefit no. Say aban na aye mfumso na aban ntimi emeka ncho say betua yenka because oro na aye mfumso no. One man information ni nyina nti wa aye mfumso. Universal credit is different. Universal credit no irrespective of baby a mfumso ni free buy ema overpayment ne buy no. A bank will take steps to recover that money from you. Nti no there it is there. It is the same thing with tax credit as well. And also so no irrespective no a bank befa ne nhihye so no wagi saa sika no back from you. That is it doesn't matter where mfumso no every e buy a bank bagi saa sika no e dey free. And that is why it is very imperative say uhu say sebe sika na aban de ma wo no na nkan se odem ma wo a na e ba esese wo take steps na immediately no o inform aban nti mentwen e ma no enkose ansana aban hu a wabuka no e de abrel because enye dan a you have to pay back.
Okay.
Nti sesa na tie dia uhu ni ntem na okobo aban amane ntem na osi ano kwan na o hye ase age kakra na akobro so no dia na wahu se ohu ahenha o. Senye sa na tie dia wotena se na otwentwen na edoso na aban e de 10,000 ba na ukutua ka na ne tua no ayedin.
Na nya me fault.
Of course enye wo fault but sebe aban so hwe se ni nyina no eye no fault ntino yen recover no back a sebe yen nye sika ni bi ye dia bo afofo so ho bra nti yen fa no se sebe se ye tua ma na bro so kra no na still we are entitled to universal credit nti ye tua wa aban will take steps na de ye tua ma no watete no kakra every de ye tua ma no so ebi also na aban kra no de sese nko tua no wantua nti ode wo ka bi wo ho aban so betimi take steps na saa aka na ode wo no either say ode beti so bi ana sese obi bi afiri mu na de aka no watete ne kakra na eno mu no nyina no e wo kwan a aban fa so a oje nti for universal credit no yem fa no say enfumso no emfiri wo ena akwakoba se eba no sana se aban eti a aban behwe se either se oye adwuma na se wonye adwuma nti se oye obi a onye adwuma ena benefit na woje ena wo de hwe wo ho a e wo rate a aban use a odeje eno no ye standard rate ena aban e de hwe a odeje se oye obi a oye adwuma ena wo sa agi benefit no e de ka ho a aban use de hwe no high rate no ena de te de sese odete wo free wo entitlement.
Oh, okay.
Now, where aban aye assessment of the overpayment no, na who say overpayment no occurred by fraudulent means no. Aban recover every wo o yusu bibia your friend no a recovery rate and now say fraud rate. Not just say ya can ko baby ahead to.
But Lawyer Patrick, o fraudulent rate na not just say wo fill forms na dey call you know and o committee sa fraud.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Na baby a wo can say aban no ono aye ni calculation. Ho no Lawyer Patrick, pese o chemu yi. Me nya accountant. Me nim say bia tax ayete me no mo the code ena etiti sa tax no mbia obehu when so tax code yes BBB 2211 JLLP ni ade ne nyina nso kire sika or say yeti free account mo ba wo no nya accountant enti no Also, what she said, what fill form no all right. Oh yeah, bibia onim say everything is correct. It is almost share tax code no. Na omo dey till tax. Na fe chire ebeba no mobile say they've made overpayment and I said they've underpaid you and I say oh no usim fum so no me pese me hu nipa kwa sa blame na ebekọ ne ho.
All right. Okay. It's I think sir we singled out few benefits and no. The restriction is either way no. They will take it from OD no. And no universal credit any tax credit. Now, so who feel say unyen from sobi yen overpay wa there's again a kwan wo ho a ubetimi a challenge decision no.
Okay.
So it doesn't mean say aban se why overpayment into no o de yen ka 5,000 into bra betuaka no akwa betua. Say mfumso no free wo now feel say again enya universal credit but be before na mfumso no free wa you can challenge aban on that score. Into your fancy housing benefit any day amount. Ebiana or landlord no utu ye no because bear in mind say housing benefits ni wa ituama landlords for no direct but be been to work to now landlord no answer san ne maybe na aban etua se ne otua na e de ama landlord na enya wo mfom so enya wo na otua ka aban be kwa kwaje enwo and also say aban e beje no wo say wo na odin wo forms no so a there's obviously eniema a obetimi de akira aban say mfom so no nya me mfom so menje ma numbro so na wachire babia aban emfa na ninchire landlord na amanaba the aban fa na ninchire it's the same thing said HMRC for say omo calculate with tax o employer e de akwa komam no o ma anya wo mo niema yi na mfumso aba na enu ntino etua amana broso again you can challenge aban say we nya me mfumso ntino ensese mo free me ho na aban atimi ahwe bear in mind it is not always the case overpayment ba aban meka so ogie free ho ebi wo ha aban ebu na nigu so no wa hu se wa na odi achew ebi so wo ha
we dey habit we dey habit
na pacho me chawa no what about me ye medjuma we dey say me ni employers no me ye adwuma mo see 20 hours or say 40 hours my ye adwuma na omuchi misko omuchi amenim say eye no a afede adwuma fo ne bae a omuchi omuchi ame aburo so over thousands and over enti no mo betete me so na me hwe sika omode ma me na eni tene am yire me ho ye adwuma na fata say me nya za sika no now the company is demanding that money from me enye tax impo eno me ye ne den.
Right. Inti sabe o ye adwuma na adwuma ye mfom so no tua o mane bro so a enye usika e adwuma sika.
Oh eni.
Inti se e chere na adwuma hu se mamme sabe yesre wo we de wadaroma ye tax office for revenue for no o ye mistake kakra last month de na nka se o ma o 100 but from so we buy usually I will blame system no I will blame the part but bear in mind say in computer language garbage in garbage out it's system no mistake kakra ma yetua 200 it's never fa kwan so na yate normally no say any sika bi e dose o next pay no o metimi atie free ebi so ho a ebia iska bi dose na ye hwese wa mu no ahoche kakra ho a they can spread it na o matete ne kakra se de be ya obetuaka because say wa hyede se unhu se saa sika no e ba anya usika ese se wo bo o company na mane because by man say enya usika na wahu na still who di a e kro no na wo
say me dem say ma ye dwuma
iti ehun da bi ehun sunsanso e wo ho but se unhu di a ese se wo bo mama ne saa susu na se wo susu no wa ye adwuma na wa ye 40 hours na 40 hours no ehun akatua is supposed to be £1,000 na akatua no beba no ne amount £800 ibi se wadwuma fo na sisiu nti ese se okoje usika so ma amfa amawa na chese unlawfully no they are deducting money from your wages so omo ankoye omo ade yie ubetimi di oma tribunal and that will cause a problem. So it's the same thing. It cuts both ways. I don't think so.
I was here say afi na waba me so bomodi answer obeto ankomo no so wo so na afi obi ensa enka be because a very educative program pa senia yenia ba Grace Mensa ade ababeto line so no or say very educative program. And okay say emra no seni city no ye chichimu na wante ase a na ya hadwene edrume bia na right and responsibilities no na wentimi and live up to it. Dr. Sadom yada say good evening lawyer Patrick Brakweku and na manyanati me masa arrangement is it say
no you're correct.
Oh no you're correct. Manye na ten. Aha, okay. Me passing bia because we did the one here na one ko boni ya na dey asem aba. I will see obetimi asende wo text and na say WhatsApp message na e dey abrain was 07950422780 07950422780 and na say obetimi afre 0208-123-1016. Ebio yang text number na kran so upetimi afre wo so ayebefa 07950422780. Kai say BWF solicitors and waso yan srema ye the community and the law a day ebro and it's a full house ye wo lawyer Patrick ewo ha ye wo inia ba na manye na ten ena afi Owuraku Frimpong wonso so wo eno nti ye twen wo frɛ anase wo text na wo question no na afi yemfa ento aso lawyer answer na manfo ebeba no mensan kai won bi o se ene ye hwɛ benefits ene ekwan a se ekoba ne se yetua wo man ebro so a e wo se wotua anase etesen lawyer akire yemu ama ye hunu senia esi etie me wo. Oh, okay. Chiana Ochiai. I say good evening, Brakweku and lawyer Patrick. My ewa enti. But my main question we any kind emra. I say good evening, Brakweku and lawyer Patrick. Please, I want to know if you and your husband have been given an invitation from Ghana, from the UK, from your uncle. Do you both have to do separate applications rather than doing it together? Because someone told me he has this situation, has been told they will both have to do it separately, and meanwhile the wife is depending on the husband who is sponsoring their trip. But I was told the lady also has to do her own application online, provide her own support and financial evidence to apply. I drink chair and answer for 2 bank and Adebaba. Yama more invitation. Okoye visitors application. Yebe boom. And say ubia enye ne die sonko.
Right. So unfortunately, visitors application ye nyemmom into no bia ye no separate application. Say ye ukun na sponsor wa and also all sponsor trip na. That's fine, any problem. Invitation na ba no e ba for mumu mienu. But ukun na sabe owo ahoden na o de ye enhihye gu akwamu mamu tu kwan.
Okay.
Yes, obetimi the documents achira ebechire the financial position any sentia owo sa ho akade na or de eboa mamu nyina maba no. Yes, that's what it is. Enye application obetimi amamu nyina ma fill one application e di mudin ahye so. Some fill no individually. Na emom no documents no more present here. Mu nyina mo betimi a present the same documents na che say mu nyina no ebia uncle and invite him as a family say mumra na mummedi holiday e won nchen uncle ebeye bibia your friend no sponsorship undertaking you know obefele eno e di account e di ama mummienu no nyina na mo di account sa documents no na Mr. Ede the bank statements any payslip eno amiku bi so obi di ma
Koyasa foforo.
Ghana no meaning say payslip ni order. So on for payslip ni contract of employment say bo mi nana contract of employment.
Me ko fa no
And only ade you know but I mean anyway it's a problem but companies ni nyina na tisa yen sua sa ade no because na ye koye ni you know contract enya ade a ye bibi chinchinchine nipa no ye adwuma ma no obeje 500 enye hu se o de be shekrata so amaye bibia aye finchim na bosum du a payslip kakra obeye accountant kakra ye beji sika kakra bi na ya ma na nipa no susu o ba brochire a obisa we a na ye pom for bank statement bra for bank statement na unhu de e bank statement said de na it's a problem anyway
okay yemfa offer so question wahana
Require my main kind, Kwesi Omani. I'll say, please ask the lawyer if it's true that the High Court has scrapped the 2.5 years resident permit.
No, I been to know. I got to be a minimum say heck then and answer I had the TV to know minimum High Court Crumpacho. I got to be uncarry yente Eddie Gusu 2.5 still Timpacho bra na sure why.
Okay.
Well, back
Okay.
Or see what happens if a divorce case where the man petitioned the court in my name, which I also called to report the case, the divorce court, and it will be treated as fraud and will be sent to a judge. My question is, what will happen in this case? Now my husband, knowing he's in trouble, wants my help. What can I do?
Question emun na ho papa. Emun na ho papa. So betimi afre na obema ye nhihemu yi a because divorce there o kona se wo koye divorce normally no ye bebisa o di ntia o ye divorce no. There's only one reason. And no say the relationship is broken down irretrievably. Not just say internet try ni try say a divorce. Now eno na chi no there are 5 factors say emu baako na wugina so a odi divorce no. The be one behavior, be one nipa no say wakobo adwaman. And also say e bia mumu atete for 5 years, 2 years. Saa ne mani nyina wo ho. Enti emu baako na wugina so no na wo tro de akoma eye court no say we na me gina so a me di jai maware. Na court na ye nhihye na watro the other party no na wamana ya awe say oyere ukunu eja wo niema ogina so a odi ja woni eye niema ogitum anase ogitum say aware no yentwam anase say ongintum nti say ogitum a yemema wo acknowledgement form a obe complete na wo de akoma court no back say wagiatum sa form no say ongintum a obe ka cha ban say ongintum no achi detail say one nyantum a it becomes contested. It can drag on for a long period of time. Now a cost very cost dia obey it's no baby a fraud way free what mommy question no I'm not sure baby a free but say na nya aware say I don't know
so obetimi actually
mo pa say ne kunu no na ekoye petition no te say ono ne oba no enti no
na wo ko ya aware ana de obidi na
enti ekire na oba no so hu ye na ono free court no say onye petition dia enti ade na akoye case na che say ne kunu no a commit fraud.
Well, so okunu na wako forge ma meno signature ne nioma e dia akoye application there. Then that is a different matter because o forge obi information e dia ye bibia you know it has criminal implications. Inti no is idea you know family court no will not be dealing with that. So divorce no na enya they are progressing further with it there. Then they withdraw it na but with the your friends saying criminal aspect in it there, it is not for the family court to deal with. Yeah.
Okay. Me wa voice note back ko e wa ha madam ma yen hwe.
Okay. Bravo ko ene la ya Patrick. Na me sure mo need ma pa mo ye. Pese me bisa ade baako. Se bia na mo so na bia ya ma Ukrainian krata ana se bia nkrata no kura no ebia ye ma no partner route so you can say no na so ebia bia wo wote no enye wo ne net ho na oba once a while dama and ebia de ono be ma no kura na wunim ho hwe nti eno sa no se wan kan kire aban se anase wan kan kire wo mo se bia one ne neti na so ebi ono dia akwa yuzu dia aka se one ne neti a eno sa no then asotwe na wo betimi enya medam asipi nso okay bye
Right into yenua by question now obi say I'm not sure say ebia obisa no in the context of benefit discussions na na because say obi koya application say or your partner Say be nyo no nko ne documents na aban ehwe. Because we your partner, either say we your partner as in say moaware, and now say we your married partner, but who documents are it say motibum, so cohabitation documents. And no na wujina so e dia ye application no as a partner. Entino se sa na wakwakoya me nua bai ebia ne letter bia ne din woso ebia ne bank statements ebia ne pay slips make say kra bia na bema no enye ono nko ani sika enso partner route ni sika esese mu nyina mo ka mo resources ebom ansa na odia yes application no. Entino yes se obema no enti ba bia wo te na ebia sabe physically no onte ho but you know theoretically no nkrata so no inti so ho dia na che so ho inti untimi nka se oni ho ho unless ebia oni ho in all of those circumstances no and this situation and I wo ka se oni ho inti we use bibi dia e bibi dia then ene dia bibi ba sabe enye wo na authorize se onfa wo niema emfa nye bibi a big issue, a big offense because your data protection law it just untimi and disclose obey information without no permission. This is okununa esa no new permission irrespective say bia moye awarefo anase mo relationship bisa oni hu kwan say obey invade or privacy and documents say your documents forms part of private documents intino ono antimi mfa no pen yesa unless a woman authorization so until physically na ni din wo ho well as far as abanye concern no ni din wo ho ene e ko check so a ye be hu se ni din wo because let us ba ni din se ni din ni odi a ene on be kire ba bia o ti na ye
okay yemfa another voice no turn to us so ewa ha.
Hello, good morning Manyeti. Good morning lawyer. Me wo issue kakra me person me yeah ina se lawyer betimi aboa me Madam Fubi a year in a year Ghana now or school university. Msakani 2 years and sana we now also Madam for a British. Now per se a friend is or inviting a reno. Man because on the mark on the break next month also. Until baby next year January or baby until person co inviting on man invitation nanka oba now best no enye nkrata no opese ode ba opese ode with visitors visa na eba and I'm a person lawyer advising me for requirements I will be here yeah will be to me there invited on amanaba
Question simple, visa.
Yeah. Lawyer, they say requirements.
Well, I mean, visitor's visa application, a idea, because decision making, is very subjective in a sense, and yet, Sabi, the ye dream as reasonable people, no. Send ye dream, you say, okay, say ye nua bay nka sabi obesra nukunu keke no asan ko enya de a obetsna ha begehwe onu mu ote Ghana okonu suku ntino bibia ni ho a you know be incentivize no ama wa ba betna ha no obehwe nukunu keke na ejanka wasan ko back na wa be bonds ahwe kakra ntinka yen sabi ordinary persons there senka ya adwunu mu de enya asembo no obetimi aba no enya sa na home office adwen Inti ye won necessary sa adwin na yen reasonable persons ye adwin no esese wo e na wo prove sa adwin no edicate home office inti asudie no da wo so se esese wo prove se ampa se wo ye genuine visitor wo ba no oba obesan wo chiako na emum o ma metna ha now adia ebeba home office caseworker at the forefront of the mind ni say number 1 nipa we esimesi ni kunu ewa ha or man invitation amanaba number 2 ni kunu no oye settled ewa ha inti no enya de a mesusu se
oni motivation so besa kwa
enya de a mesusu se oba
obeko
very man say ebi obeba mesusu na wa ankoba time a eye ewiebo na eye winter time kakra na awowo mu a then na
but didn't know before
no ayedin
but didn't know be firewood
ebe yedin nti even though ebi a initially no na nya wadwene se oba na wa ba betena no oba ye awa beka wa hye ama eja bra Dominic ono so no ho atono ama office
ono kra be enka you say
oba ko sitena eye ya wa bay minim se ya nkasa obetena de so sabe kwankwan ye ni wa ba ye kutudwene friend say enwa bi a wode apopo nkwa ama me uni hey chicken and chips wa na ba ba dom me kakra ni nka ye nto aso so me kom suku ni nse mi so ya suku de eno ani abrochiro eno ani abrochi wo ba isusu sebe ma bo me humoden British passport ni kuta mi na me wa dom na me timi kika ne ma bomu a ye de tumpan na obo na nge pe 2.5 years na wonya thoughts o na okro no iti no eno mu no nyina no you know case worker no ye assessment e woni trimu e hwe o hwe ni nyina. So, you know, very difficult with the visa no because when I say bibi hold back e wo kroma and you know enya dia you know obeba kroma han awaba betna even though okunu wa ha na asa o maame o papa wa ha no enya dia obeba betna you know bed no eda ye nuamba no so o kire se oba obesan akọ na requirements ne dia yes okunu na o man invitation so o man invitation letter say or yeah undertaking at the council oba yes obeba betena ne nchen oba obesan akọ say ye nua be ya na sponsor ne trip a bibia eche so wosika no ko school ntini school letter o de be ka ho bibia or yeah juma intino juma mu letter ache so ye nua be ye ne na ye juma very important part of your team no ntenya de a yenim se okọ ekura okotena because oni akura na adwuma no betusini ama wan hwe a adwuma no kura gu ntino ye nida no so se okwa obesan aba nti enomu no nyina ya de a obetimi aka aboa no e de a demonstrate a kire eye case worker no say indeed enya de a owo tirimupo bi even though a se wukunu wa no se oba obeba beta oba obesan akọ
0208-123-1016 and now 07950-422-780. 07950-422-780 no between send a text and now WhatsApp at the afaso and also say waiting send the audio note at the afaso city ebinum no far more concerns and questions and issues about that wajre no na lawyer Patrick aboy no make I will say a BWF solicitors and I will say yes Emma ye day abroad the community and the law and I day bro you live our Facebook you live our YouTube nina a BWF solicitors afenso so betienka ewo abawa radio so ewo UK ha and PAAM TV so and also so ewo UK ha obetimi eja comment and so ye question no ewo in Facebook comment section no so and also say o de be YouTube comment section no na wade abrayen ye be pick na yakan de amount say ye de we ebrewe
Yen share and your next question away if you nearby your friend Gloria or say what about owing housing benefit and is blocking your housing? Patrick.
Minia biwa mana so wa hwan twen kakra na lawyer Patrick enyiwe anoman.
Right, into or say or the housing benefit car. Okay. Yes, into the housing benefit car sene ye dikan akyerɛkyerɛ mu no. Ebi a na enye won fom so na eye aban fom so. Nti no eno no esese wo challenge wo mo na aban mu say ono no fom so enye won fom so. Ba ye nua ba ye question yi me ye analysis kakra me sususu se ebi a na eye ono no fom so na nam so ma overpayment na baaye ena enu nti no aban etwe no. Yes, obetimi aye arrangement na wetua no kakrakra ama aban na aban so atimi agige ne kakrakra edu atuaka
nti wo betimi ni aban akọ arrangement say medical 1000
yes
bosome senia yɛtete me anaasɛ mehwɛ me expenditure ɛwɔ fie ne adeɛ so what me more than £100 a month kakra na me name of no ho bɛkyerɛ
Of course, yes.
£10.
Yes. Ubetimi ayesa. In fact, ubetimi akacha aban so kra say sebe on wave no off because untimi ntua.
Oh, okay.
Nti ubetimi ni aban at this.
Ehon here pa.
Me say no yes our discussion crofo be 7 and a friend me say enti e be ye den na sika na ye free ho amayen na me say de monto mo boase ne
Yes.
montie
Obi ho ha na asitine mo no sebe eye brubuja. Obubuja nkwala wo mu expenses no dose. Enti no yes, ubetimi ni aban aka no boko. Na a chere say sebe yes, uje wo mfunso no tumu de. Ese senka na nka wo ka chere sense san bia bade. Enso mfunso na baaye e na wantimi anye. Na emom no se oka se sika na still anu we entitled to no. Oti usika no so asa afiri mu a. Na chere se ono anu oda wo preku.
Wasama ho kyerɛ kra.
Exactly. Into no opana chew say sebe on wave na ma on recover sika. Only aban kana say aban hwe wasetena mu a because enye wano keke e na wo de kwa akoka ama aban ayesa ade. Ese se wo kyerɛ sɛ de wo ka no sei nete ampa sɛ wasetena mu sa aban agi sika no free wa wasetena mu ebɛyɛ den. Only aban kana entiase ye adwuma. Aban betimi de sika no achew na wanje mfiri wo.
Kofi Asante say we question no the next one am dey baso but manchi obi agina ahoma no so nti am nkɔ no so quickly na ye ba Kofi wo de no ene to aso. Hello mini awo ahoma so good afternoon. Hello.
Good evening. Patrick, good evening. Manya, good evening.
Hello,
good evening.
Good evening.
Immigration fee because my teacher say we can cheer immigration fee na NHS in what you are relating to but your lawyer bit me explain yanka that's
the Jason Menko.
Pacho enuaba hawa yemisa se wasesa no ye den asitna pacho.
Me pacho me kita 2.5.
Okuta 2.5 years. British. Ukunu ya British. Okay, na pacho ekwan ben so na wo fa ya obenya 2.5 years no.
Me kuna e worry me free Ghana.
And a worry free Ghana na buy. Okay. That's fine. Na obano pacho wenya mfie sen.
Me bananya omuyetu bako 13 oko 14 January na bako so 9.
Okay, nti omu nyina ye under 18. Na pacho omo papa wai.
Mom papa Ghana.
Oh, okay. But oni omu ni twaka bia oh. All right. Yeah, do all the no the what can't share me is very good. But as I said, ma abai. That's very good. Okay, that's good. Okay. Into pacho saying it here because wo situation no. O de your friend no application under appendix FM ne buy into buy as a spouse. Into say wo kofa nkwala na ba na say ba kokra mpo aba. Ese say requirements na yenu ya be ma meet ya o de be fa wo no. Ese say o meet sa requirement no still. In this instant case no. Emfa say ba ko na wo kofa ba na ye wo nkwa no na ese say yewura o meet financial threshold a 18,600. Say o de ba ko no e ba be ka ho a ese say o de extra 3,800 eka ho. Ese say o meet sa threshold no. Okay. Now, because wo 2.5 years no. Nkwala na ba anase ba ko na ba enye indefinite no de ba. Or de eye wo 2.5 years ni bi na eba. Inti no de wo ni bi na ema no. Oya application na obetua eye fees no. De ya etai sini se. So oya application na aya na system no ni home office fees nipa no or back with indefinite. Okay. Inti ya system no ebi wo ho a enje wo IHS fees no at the time na oya application. But application no ko wie na case worker no assess no who say there be kwan we so na wonam na wo ba ube so omo san tro say esese ubetua IHS fee and sana omo process it. So that is how sometimes no it happen, but because omo ba under wo route no so mutua application fee no ankasa na omo san tua IHS fee no e de ka ho.
But I mean about me could be so dear, so no be a besam say my name is Nipacrono, one who I dream no be share paper. Was say NHS fee no for visitors visa for 6 months, I say.
Oh, but with visitors visa, you don't pay IHS fees.
Oh, okay.
No.
Oh,
Okay.
Number 2, 18,690 mikun when you know extra 3,000 when you come home. So when you assist here, me woman me age man meet me the media come home. Say they am right.
Pacho, oh yeah, right to crime and bro so. Nti no, unya be kan ho a na mo nyina mo abeye abusua baako. Nti usika any year sika no e ka bomu a say 100,000 or 200,000 or 1 million krana ni nyina obetimi de akira aban say mo betimi ahwe mo ho a me bia kakra ma motimi a sebe aba aban bosia.
All right.
yes.
Okay. But now what share there? No one. I'm not first. Yamin show, you don't see Yamin show. Yamin show. Why? You don't see by 020812311016 and 07950422780. Kofi sante me show boss say me kwaba na fi ma be fa wodi no. Enti yen hwe Kofi. Na fa Kofi kwe.
Yo, Kofi Asante. The question is, say, if I have 2.5 years visa stamped and I have no child, can I find any means of removing the non-access to public fund? No access to public fund. Okay. Patrick.
Yes. Restriction, no. Sabi, obia what 2.5 years a restriction was obia no. Ubetimi a year free so.
Okay.
Ubetimi a year free so. Until no, and found so one kwala na say wouldn't kwala because who 2.5 years who will leave. Who will leave you so the ABA by Juma. Oh yeah, Juma. ABS can niswa. Until so danka and so cancel tax and so DDA and so atarish. We train you and obey any nema a kakan now mobile phone TV subscription. Then ma was sitting mu etimi a yede. Sabi wako single person so dear. Not to say idea, Sani money and Hiama also when etimi a Joe who will fee. It is a ubu san content when na one can't do ni wa. Yes, ubetimi apply ama a buying a yisa restriction no idea free one. Obi or wa na or 5-year route no so. And no na ya na a bit of a problem because no as so meet certain requirements and sana ye do what to sa route no so. Into the moment o kokase me kra me ho kire me no na che se o meet sa requirements no. Into next time o koya application o 5 no so o mbetimi de wa back to 10-year route no so, which means you don't meet the requirement. Until no na aya as say we are very careful now o sa tibia ni ma as say unya expert advice and sana wakoye sa de because I know no betimi ama so what 5-year route no sir and the back to 10-year route no so until you're careful with that but so what 10-year route no so as a parent na eno aso na wugina na wo kwa na wo pese wo kwa obi ho ana sebe enye ne ntem na odi be wie ne hia no na emom na setena mu a ebe henha no nti o se da bi me pese me wo me 10-year route no so nti me pese me yi restriction no edi free me so na we year free so na wa gene benefits kakra ebe boa no. Now word of caution and caveat. Restriction na ye yi free wo so no. Ye yi free wo so a ye nyi free wo so indefinitely.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay? Ebi wo ho na ye community no omo ntia se. Ye yi restriction na enche say ye yi free ho afebo. Ye yi free ho for the duration of your leave, you know.
And it's a 2.5.
That's right.
Having a year free.
A year free also for the duration of our leave, you know. But what it is, say each time ube renew, you know, as I say, o demonstrate say still, no, as I say a mount, sa sikana e demand, and I say ye restriction no free also. Until every time be renew, be ano, as I say what stress are there, no. Say was sitting still now, no, enye okay nti mama yemfa eye no recourse to public funds restriction no emfa to so
nti as a lawyer metasia na just say me wo 2.5 na my application ye no recourse to public funds na free money no so we try 2.5 ni wi a was say me sign application for fee waiver.
Well, fee waiver no is different. So fee
okay,
restriction.
For year restriction, no, yes.
Yes. So, no. So why your application that are any amawa and na uksan koye a new application may you free so. But say uko renew application from the point of renewal now or complete your form. Ubetimi aka amaye hu se wasitemu eyedin. Inti may in fact no recourse to public funds no end to so. Normally ye be na ya tro sebe letter kama acheche wasitemu wabra bomu wadidie mu bibia wo ye bia no ye betweche ni nyina mu aye table aye won hihye sika dodo eba won nsem eni sika dodo a wudi ne bosome ebi wa obehwe no na sika eba ne nsem 2500 so no expenditure is over 4,000 pounds ebi a wa anhwe ni ya onti ase but or the HSBC for loan card or the last years before credit card or the store card ka e wo Tesco's or the store card ka e wo Argos or sign ako or TV or mobile phone and kola be go school obetua dinner money obetua so many things put together ube yuti madam be kwa akoye ni ti bi o ha ye community no be no bi a ni ti ye no wa twerɛ bi a 30 pounds and I say 20 pounds o kwa abrofo wo mko yi o mte bi o 60 pounds 100 pounds 150 ni ade so all of this no e can cost no nti ube hwɛ mu no na wankasa no ye bi o ha ye expenditure no ma wa hey me na me spend this sika we na me kafa no who says sika we when I spend you but yes you spend that money every single month in month out you are spending that but you don't know where that money comes from okay but a kabia because who deal with wages ni wie and also salary ni wie na credit card na ne ho akere no nti baby a ebia wadu a ahokyere ba se auto petrol kakra na hwim na de atare hwim na de atare utwia na weisa na wafa foforo na hwim na de atare o de tare ni nyina so bosum bia so a o mu nyina sa de bill brɛ ese se wokotua ka because when tuaka o meba ba chi si waje nti enumu ni nyina ya ade a yen yetena se na ya yes calculation no ebunkunta ni nyina na ye de akokyera ban se yes okra no na wasesemu adin e ma ban yi restriction ni free so enumpo na ama sebe ohu ahenha wo kakra saa na situation no eda so te ensesan ye nti ma ban emfa restriction no ento so de nti ate saa no se yemfa no se unya 2.5 years na enemu adin fellow and I say COVID by into wajuma crab ball and I'll yi restriction if free. And they enemu ago ama watimi akwa adwuma back into nebia ye kase kra okwa adwuma back kra yasa ma ye position a and they oje 5,000 pounds a month. Into say no sir na okona say 5,000 pounds a month no yet sika na ebia ebika 2,000 pounds now kase aban any restriction in free wa aban make say there be ohon chiro we okay because otiti sika na nyina sabe unya 2,000 pounds maybe so you okay.
A question quick one be answer you or say a quiz segment no so and they say me mfa na say me ye adwuma so na okay me gibe ya be 5,000 me wo mofra me nu me ansa me pese mofra no modern money omo nkan ko ebe kwa ni mu nti no me de bia nkola no ko private school twetwe sika bia ni ade boso me be so no meti me dan ka meti yi mofra no school ka meti ne die ka entete ade ni nyina na me ho kire me na me ho akodim sa no me wo kwan se meti me apply se aban emmoa me wo kwan bi so na
oh yes so
because my boss me aketua no quite ni mu pa but of course me expenditure na bro so
yes of course restriction na da ho no enti na aban abokwan ne dia to se ubetimi ayi free so se be ya aban betimi aboa enti yes so wo ye wasede as owufo na enu enti no ohu kire wo ba bia then yes you have every right say ubeka kire aban say only restriction free na also wetimi access benefits are say utimi ensaka bear in mind say some benefits no would include bibia child benefit. Nti se wan ko ye mfio na won kwala na esese woje support kakra de ma san kwala no na restriction into untimi njia, then it means you are losing out. Because ebia na ogie no kakra no kra ka ho a ebetimi affix baby, but because of restriction into no nkwala no British but wo untimi nje because wo ne nkwala no nete e dey bia papa no ni ho, but restriction into no untimi enje esese utimi eye application no na ban yi restriction ni free wo na wo ne nkwala no te na ye application na je sa benefit no simple obi fufuro je dada obetimi aka tra ban se ontwam because wo na wo ne akwala no te na onfa ma. It's absolutely
with the very as say I see a quiz ne segment, very interesting one. But lawyer, time no. Can you kindly ask, lawyer, if a woman with a British child and the woman has no leave to remain, how can she apply to get help from the council if she's in destitute and the husband is unreachable, taking into account that she has no status and the child has no benefit? I'm saying similar be and Nami be saying.
Right, okay. Also, near assistant and also assistant.
I'll say, I mean, saying in page I'll say, you miss say, Oba or British child, Unia assistant has no leave to remain. And then, quite between our first say, council between our boano, say, or the because we're destitute, and Nick no so you can know, mini assistant, mean whom and my friend air British.
Okay, so for starters, so nkwala ye British no near sitina. Eso take steps na utimi eso eno na no because so mo ye nkwala mo British there and you betimi your application na yama no leave to remain. In fact, and they fee waiver ho. Inti so ka se oni sika kra o de kutua application fee a obetimi aye fee waiver na ban e the fees no ache no IHS no any your friends saying application fee no itself no na ban the ache no. Now why your application now when you're 2.5 years. So onya expert na oh yeah. Expert no e the name be shishi match say no ho kire no nti ye de leave no cry manner. Mama ye mfa restriction and so. Nti leave ne beba no na restriction no enni ho which would allow her to access a public funds including child benefit, housing benefit and the sa name ni nyina. And ne sa name ni nyina se na me di kan no. Ya consolidate no ama eno no nyina de akɔhye universal credit nim no nti eno na wo kwa akɔgye nti onya we na ebe ye free immediately ya sebi ohia moe ukɔ cancel no ho na o se wo kɔhwehwɛ saa moa na they will not look at you because uni saa ɛho akade no nti na ebe difficult say omo behwɛ wo ebe difficult say omo behwɛ even though say na be dey kan under your Children's Act no aban no was so or say ohwɛ nkwala no nti no wa hwɛ na social services for ebebem abehwɛ abeboa ama saa eniema no etimi akoye but a very difficult say uni saa your friend saying akade na eya council for no ombehwɛ ombeto so ayo up and down mpo omo bi kura okwa na ye okona bra na wa oni bi even though ho kyerɛ nti no yes ye nua ba no say ampa so wɔ British child on take steps me sure say bia na passport ni ho nti na bia ama wati ada kakra but eno no nye problem so betimi ama ye hu ampa se nkwala yi ye wo mo no na omo papa ye British papa ye settled nti nkwala no ye British yes yeah, we've done it so many times so many times before I make break kakra na there was a case na me senior dealing with senior partner dealing with na maame no e ware na ye wo akwala no e na papa no pen baby fast ye wo akwala na akwala no papa no or you settled into akwala na British any ye sha say you say you be British passport ama akwala no ukobia na omatoso ni acho say no de mo kan de enya no ni yeti akwala no papa e British and son ye wo nti akwala no ye British nti ye say ye gi passport ama no you haven't got anything to say opa ko check o record say de ye kan no edin a de ama we any nipa ye kan ho asemi marriage certificate ni ade na da we ko check o records say nipa e mo ma no citizenship ana so ko check na nti sa dia then you come and tell us but so unim say nipa e wa man citizenship but only say you are trying to be difficult into no ka say ko fa papa no British passport no bra na yenhwe ansa na ya mana then it means say you are being unreasonable and oh yeah unreasonable no e ya kola no yie die ni interest and in the fa ho die na wutietia so we make those representations eventually almost the passport no buy yeah fa papa bia passport bia anka So that can be done. On taking steps na on hwehwe emwa akira kwan se de be ya ne ho betimi ahenha no na wetimi access the so access. Yeah.
Some information we nya na be as BWF solicitors omo na etiase na afi obo ayen ema yehunu senia esi etie senia we kan de bia na strategy na afi nimde eno nti bomodi ase woni BWF solicitors ebedi enkomo 0208-493-7340 one telephone number and 077 127 61884. One and boy Emma Mimida Bia between 4 and 6 p.m. UK time. Yade the community and the law. Yade a war. Na Sabri baby yedri na yebasay adwene ahwe na yehunu senia yebisa question and answer okoto situation and answer senia niema isitia no obetimi ayi ano ade afa. Why you ready? Get your answers ready. Yeah, I was saying a fee and Obekaya Hua, Mammy and Hey, now fee, young fire quiz no emra. Question no, and I'm a day at so. No, say Kevin is 18 years old and currently lives with his mother, Anita, at flat 4 London Road, Ilford. Kevin's father, Alex, is no longer in a relationship with Anita and lives at a separate address in Chelmsford, Essex. They were unmarried partners for 7 years. Alex has been seeing Kevin fortnightly following the relationship breakdown. Anita was recently admitted to the hospital under Section 2 of the Mental Health Act 1983 with possible postpartum psychosis. She's being discharged from the hospital in the last couple of months. Anita has since refused to let Alex see Kelvin. Anita and Kevin are being supported by AC, Anita's mother, who's moved to the UK from France purposely to provide care for Anita and Kevin. Alex has no immigration status in the UK, having overstayed his visit visa for 12 years. Anita is threatening to get Alex deported if he challenged her decision or applies for a child arrangement order. Alex would like to apply for leave to remain in the UK to look after his son. He has applied to the Family Court for child arrangement order under Section 8 of the Children Act of 1989 to allow him to have direct access to his son, Kevin. Now, Nina and Kevin here came with 8 years on ne mama Anita nete ewo Ilford, East London. And papa no ne mama no nti omu ni hobio nti papa no ete Chelmsford, Essex. Omo tiado na omo enware and they lived for 7 years. Alex has been seeing Kevin fortnightly. Now chimi no bia okọ na akọhwe ne ba Kevin. Anita and Chekra and Yajina to hospital and say Najimu Kana Kakra. Ye free hospital in the last couple of months. Free Hono say Oma Alex Emma me when back Kevin. Anita ne Kevin Omo ye Mamiesi free France Abba say Obabe boy Anita Mami. Alex ye can one semi ni 9 ye ni bia so ni krata or the visitors visa ne buy 12 years ago buy one call. Anita say Alex nim na okoko to say ye man no child arrangement order. Obema ye de no akọ. Me am bona kofi. Alex Antrefo will apply to Family Court for child arrangement order, Section 8 of the Children's Act 1989. Ebema no ho kwan ama wetimi akọhwe ne ba Kevin. Ubekaya say oni ya hie dwumedi ase a ubekaya na meka anase lawyer chirichiri mu ye nugget no chiri mu say obi a wo access to akola no say court ma order no betimi agina so ama home office ahwe say document no e dey hwe say application you be consider na it say nti say yeah child arrangement order Alex dey atumui. What will be the likely outcome? but likely outcome. Number one, the family court would refuse Alex's application because he has no immigration status. The other corner, if Alex has permission from the family court and the order is granted, he can rely on the child arrangement order as evidence of the relationship to apply for leave to remain as a parent. And then number two, court and say, Nebanono, waba aba abeji order, and unti yenhwe na yemfa emma na setna no ho consideration. Number three, Alex's application would fail at the family court since Anita is the mother and has sole responsibility of Kevin. Okay, Anita and Abofrano and one ho or say on my Alex and Mamma until or no and Bia or also responsibility or no have of franity true and unti application Alex Diano Uncle. Alex's application would be granted and he can rely on the order from the court as evidence of his relationship to apply for leave to remain as a parent or sit on the fence. Tell me, none of the above. Okay, now let's your answers flow and let's see how it goes. Inti me call screen no so na fi we say that I would like to call to explain myself better. Grace, time no. Facha me why? That's it. See. Bill Kofi and good evening, lawyer. Nice message. Okay, thank you. Oh, me pemo answers no, and then hear me. Please call the office line. Okay, Charles Asma say, Grace, for office line. Okay, now my answers are coming through. Me wa Mabel Jesse Frimpong or say number 2. Sansuso and me wa hi champion BWF. Any updates on who office I can say in your mind? Right? Okay. Grace assigned another answer about number 2. Now, overcaught there.
Me say 2 and 3 in alpha.
2 and 3 in alpha.
3 man can ye by say no.
Nana Frimpong say 4 and 2. Okay. Mamin ko. Mamin san cock is template to the view. Now, number 1 was the family court will refuse Alex's application because he has no immigration status. I know they must have okay. You go number 2.
Oh, okay.
Or say Alex has permission from the family court and the order is granted. He can rely on the child arrangement order as evidence of relationship to apply for leave remain.
2 and 4.
And what for 2?
2 and 4.
Mamin kind 3. No, this one will be the 3. Alex's application will fail at the family court since Anita is the mother and has sole responsibility.
No.
I know the info. Okay. Now, you share number 4. Alex's application would be granted, and he can rely on the order from the court as evidence of his relationship to apply for leave to. 2 and 4.
2 and 4. Yeah.
Okay. Dauda, essay number 2. Maud, essay number 2. Grace. Lawyer say for officer, inti bomodiana efre.
Nitrimu kane kakra.
Inti man is responsibility. Now Livingstone say number 1. Okay, mami call lawyer so na fi me ko enko ebisa say answer ben na ode be my. Inti lawyer once no ebe dey.
Right, inti your answer no 2. Na I know where na bebre na the 4 no so kan ho. Because nipa na o set a question na o sade answers na kan ho. Nipa no ni trimu abobel. Onim ni oye ntina o de kan ho. But ohwa the 4 no kan say Alex application no would be granted. Okay. And no yeah prejudicial because so application kokota you cannot predetermine say any bekwa akowie. Nti number 4 no answer no ama judgment wa bra court na nkasa emma judgment. Nti sana number 4 no akoye. Nti ye nim de court ne beka but 2 ni de o se ekobase court no agree with the Alex Ekano. Na omano order na. Then Alex betumi ejina so na order ye na application. It is sana etie number 2 no and the correct answer yebetimi ede aka Alex asem.
Lawyer, Mr. Oma, min phone call chika krebi. Na mi misa se mu okay say yeah nugget no. Question bi pejani mu. Emma mi bisai say we a application for leave to remain. An applicant can qualify for leave as a parent if they have direct access in person to the child, as agreed with the parent or carer with whom the child normally lives or as ordered by a court in the UK. Now, paragraph ELTRPT 2.4a of the immigration rules, I say family court proceedings documents, including child arrangement orders, may not be considered by the Home Office as supporting evidence unless there's a written permission to disclose to the Home Office and Immigration Tribunal. When Mama Junibaso said, child arrangement order, but Home Office, to me, I can't show say, court mommy order say me.
Okay. And then I say, family law proceedings are there. Court no ebo ho ban bebre nti no one of the areas court no allow emma omo a se be wo omo nya family members no emma nti no even journalists bebo ho de rokra no they are restricted unless permission and sana wetimi abo ho de ro. You can't do that. Nti that is the position with your family law proceedings no. Okay. Particularly in Kwarakwa, they are very sensitive. Okay. Even with immigration tribunal, Okona say and Kwala they are all anonymized. Into no, yeah, for Mudim, Banaya Trabia A, B, C, D, 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 and answer UB. Into WA, any litigation friend, you can't want me. Nay, Aquala, into because Oya Qualano, yem pese, ne one sembe quaco da a German coto bedroom MOBM. It's not your frano and Tamasa. Into Sasana Tia dia. Na u release sa order na ya no e dia ma obi a onye family member court ne say bebisa me permission so ko bisa sa permission na onsa kan yes ukuta sa permission na o dia kan o document no e dia home officer then uni enfumso bia onye enfumso bia they should have to look at that because dia o kan no paragraph na o kan no it draws a distinction no. Say either say there has been a mutual agreement between two partners into there's not a court order say access to nkwala no but between no more agree say utimi behwe nkwala na nkwala no utimi call into madam and I say Mr. a true statement ono ana no disem e de aka ho e de amount say fa kan application no say yes me fo so say direct access to nkwala no obehwe wo omutumi call ho even though anya wo ne yete direct access principle no nchire mu no nyina ne say enya wo ne wo mo nete oti ba bi foforo but wo ho kwan say utimi ekohwe wo mo so wo ho kwan say omutimi ebesra wo eno no nya court na ahye moa na matena say through your own volition and discretion no and na moya mo nhye and na magia atum nti na ni je ho na mama a trust statement daddy a trust statement e de account a home officer omuji tumusa but where wentwi wo ho na ebeto akosoa na ntiase anya adwuma na ebekọ akodu court no ye order paragraph now kan no e say yes so is either there's a court order or now say there's an agreement between the two parties no there's no court order omo ati omo anse a omo ye omo ade sa ni mienu no nyina no home office direct access principle no egituma ebetimi de account ne de application no
so unyo obi otimra na sisi no ochiro mu a unzo ho to safe if you are love what's number 2 which one sanso and minko Rebecca Amwako number 2 which one okay Obemponza yes you I was here and them say abna TV on so 2 and 4 24 na say as a me say can make choose 2 yes I can make a cotton fences ma can say none of the above but man can say I was here member lawyer just about a minute na what board the tougher and our kasa bebre but ni nyina so it's been all good because ya tie ho ase sikasem no ne ade no me de manya bibia kra ya say minim hwe kra dokra to ahye de na abai say ye de ka no bremi na mintimi ntua asa me kwa ban ho ka che ne say ade no mo gye ne nyina me ho bɛkyerɛ me.
Na no nso no or so the evidence ka ho. Sa evidence na e kyerɛ sɛ me ho bɛkyerɛ me no so de ka ho. Ebi ni income and expenditure. Sɛ wonnim kra ne de fa tutim income and expenditure. Se ka wo gye ene ne ekɔ. Untumi nya mo professional nya ma. Utɔ Kyoto kra ye ntro nto so na fa ka ho. Na me gye de sɛ ana lawyer.
Sa pepe.
Abusia ene na abone tofe na mema lawyer ekwan na afi wanomusuo na yenyina ye de adwumadi no aba ewie ene ye demo ebesie asedan call ma se onya abre na wo share se wutimi share ya medase se wantimi an share nso ampacho same time next week ubetimi aba be kan ho ewo adwumadi no so na oba na wa share ama obi nso anya ho mfaso ebio me pese we are where say we are live on Facebook BWF Solicitors. Ebi also so in a live YouTube and BWF Solicitors. About radio FR program radio so tune in UK ha. Sanso so and na live PAM TV so UK ha. Wa we share we'll share at the call platforms ahodo ni nyina so obi bia wo so bia no enya ho emfaso. Ene me aba na manyeti na edi djumede na nyame ensure me da sepi nyame enkoso en memwa na oma ho den. Sanso so and yen resource person lawyer Patrick Efri BWF Solicitors adwuamu ena oba ebe wo ye na afi wagya mo files tintin ahodo ni nyina eho aba betena dwumedi so amame sebeya me questions na me concerns enne mo nso so mo de amo no mo betimi enya ho ano eyi asedanko ema wo wachire office staff ena afi wo a ye production ahodo ni nyina ye de aseda ema mo nyina nyame enkoso enham na afi oma nyina ahoden. Same time next week we'll be back with another edition of the community and the law. Ebio ye frame Owuraku Frimpong. Me no na edi djumei na me pese me kai was say opese opre BWF Solicitors one number no 0208 493 73 number 9340. I was me see number so at the amount of BWF Solicitors young number you saw 0208 493 7340 0208 493 7340 and I'll say 077 127 61884 077 127 61884. The community and the law returns same time next week. Have a good day.
Yeah. Jesus, you're my everything, yeah. My everything is you, Lord. Yeah. Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything.